It is December 3rd, and because it's December 3rd, that means we have another window to open in the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. So day number 3 on the calendar. Found this easier yesterday for some reason, and now it's like, okay, day number 3, where are you? Day number 3. Oh, day number 3. Right down here, day number 3. It went in easier this time, but we want it to come out. Day number 3 is, ooh, this is the Riders shower gel. This is awesome. They had this in the Advent calendar last year, so that was the first time I ever got to use it, and this stuff is so nice. So this Rider shower gel actually has milk protein in it, and I'm not 100% sure what that means, but this is really nice in the wintertime. If you live in a really dry climate like I do, your skin will get really dry, especially if you're outside doing barn chores and playing with your horse. And this really helps to keep your skin moisturized. In fact, it even says on the packaging, the Effol Riders shower gel cleans gently without drying out the skin. It produces a soft foam with milk protein, which helps to nourish the skin. It's pH neutral and particularly suitable for frequent showering after riding and stable work. And yes, I can attest to that. This stuff is awesome. This is so nice. I'm so excited. So excited I forgot to shut door number 3. But the Effol Riders shower gel I can't even tell you, it works really well, cleans really well, and it lathers up so nicely. It really doesn't have much of a scent to it, which is nice, especially if you have sensitive skin, but it works really well. And I think that is an excellent addition to the Advent calendar. Last year, I think it was a bigger, if I remember correctly, it was a bigger container, but that's okay. You don't have to use very much of this. A little bit goes a long way. And so far, I've gotten some really nice products for my horses. Well, 2 products so far, but we still have 21 days to go in the Advent calendar. And that's nice. I got something for myself. And I'm really happy that they put this in the Advent calendar again because it really works great. And yeah, it's pretty nice stuff. Are you liking the opening of the Advent calendar every day? I'm having a lot of fun doing it. And I don't know if you can find these anywhere. I have tried. I found this one at Effol Equestrian, so that was overseas, but I've not had any luck finding the Advent calendar in the United States this year. Were you able to find one? Did you get one? I do know that Corro is selling Effol product, and I was actually able to find the dry shampoo, like the spray-on stuff from yesterday. I found that on Corro, so shopcorro.com. I'm going to go check out and see if they have the Rider shower gel because this is really nice and it's something I would like to continue to use. So I'm going to go check out Corro and put this in my shower and get ready for tomorrow, which is Saturday, December 4th. I don't even know. I'm really not very good at looking for the doors in order. So day number 4. Day number 4. Oh, day number 4 is down here. So subscribe to my channel. Come back tomorrow for another door opening in the Effol Advent calendar. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow when we open up day number 4.